Boom! The Wave 1, the Wave 3, and now the Elgato Wave DX. Here's what we're using. The Elgato Wave DX, the Wave XLR, an XLR cable, and a USB cable. And don't forget the Wave mic arm LP, low profile. Woohoo! I give you the Wave DX, a product that's $300 less than my normal microphone. Brand spanking new, they sent it to me early, not a sponsorship, and they say you get incredible sound right out of the box. What do you think? Leave a comment, yes, no. This is their first XLR microphone, and it's meant for podcasters, streamers, broadcasters, video creators. For its price range, it's going up against the Rode PodMic at $100, the Audio-Technica AT2040 at $100, and the Samson Q9U at $120. Because it's an XLR mic, you will need an XLR interface to convert the signal from XLR into USB so that your computer and software can read it. Any mixer or audio interface will do. It's not limited only to the Wave. At only $99, I'm quite impressed with the sound. I did not expect it to be as solid as it is. It's a dynamic microphone with high sensitivity, and the frequency response ranges from 50 Hz to 15 kilohertz. Okay, but what does that actually mean to you? Why does it matter? It means it doesn't need external power. It doesn't need a signal booster. It means that it can handle all vocal ranges, whether you're high, low, in between. So it's a really good all-around mic, no matter what your voice style is. Because it has a pop filter built in, you don't need an external one, saving some money. Peter Piper picked a pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter picked? Nope, not gonna happen. Just not gonna happen. Hello, Abs. A very, very important note here. Unlike many mics on the market, and unlike the other Elgato mics that you can buy from them, you are not speaking into the front or the side. You are speaking directly into the top. Make sure that is pointing at your mouth. Here's what it sounds like if you are going to speak to the front of the mic. It's going to pick you up. It's just not going to be the best sound possible. Callie wanted me to do this. Ooh. But Luria, you say, it doesn't have any RGB lights. Yeah, that's definitely been the trend lately, and you'll notice that the ones that do have the RGB lights are actually USB. XLR mics do not have that power capability. All right, so if I don't get RGB lights, then what about this? Do I have to show their logo? The good news is, no, you don't. You can pop the logo off and just leave it off, or you can rotate the entire mic so that it's pointing in whatever direction that you want. And with the mono mount, it can rotate without tangling your wires. Yeah! I do have consistent issues trying to get this mounted in such a way that looks straight on camera and is within the range that it needs to be. That could just be my problem.
Is it me? Am I the drama?
They say the Wave DX rejects background room noise really well, so let's put it to the test. This is with my AC off, and now it's on. I gotta say, I'm quite impressed with this mic. I did not expect it to perform as well as it is. I think I might even replace my Rode mic with this one. We'll see. I am going to compare a $100 mic. I have a $400 mic. What? But totally different type of mic, mind you. But we'll see. We'll see. We're going to do a comparison video of other mics in its category at its price range. So be sure to click subscribe and turn on those bell notifications for when that is released. And definitely check out all audio, all the things in this playlist right here. I'll see you there.